Once again, we're back together. So we are still continuing on that technical maths May-June 2024 exam. So please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you're part of the family. All right, let's look at question 5. They say the exponential graph below shows the number of views of a popular online video that grows at a compound rate of 50% per video. The number of months since the video was posted online is shown on the x-axis and the number of views on the y-axis. All right. So, firstly, we're talking about compound rate over here. Okay, and we know our compound formula equation would be A is equals to P into 1 plus I raised to the exponent of n. This time, well, our A value would be the number of views, right? So this is me just trying to simplify this for myself. And of course, our X value, those are the number of years. So this is how we would express this. Okay, right. So they say to us, write down the number of views the online video received immediately after it was posted. Okay, so when I look at that, that's going to be, this is right at the beginning. So how many lines are there? That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so which means that's 200 divided by 4, which means it's 50 views per division. So this is going to be 200 plus another 50 over there, right? So that means that the number is 250 views. Okay, so just please note how to read off the graph. Notice this is between 0 and 200. And what I did was to count the number of lines in between. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means you will divide the difference there by the number of lines that you've got, okay? And that gave me, in this case, per division, we've got 50. So that's why we said that's 250. Right, so they say, hence, calculate the number of, the total number of views the online video received at the end of the first year, rounded to the nearest whole number. Right, so meaning that we are looking at the 12-month period, right? So that's an entire year. So this is called extrapolation because that value is not in the graph, okay? But what's the first number that we've got? Our principal number is going to be 250, so I'm going to write it onto this side. That's 250 into... Right, so in this case, the rate, the compounding rate is 50%. So which means that's going to be, that's not interest this time, but it's the growth rate. Okay, that's 0.5. And this is to the power of x. But remember, they said in 12 years, I mean, rather in a year. So that means that's in 12 months time. So x would be 12, right? So let's quickly get that value. That's 250 into 1 plus 0.5. Okay, and we are raising this to the exponent of 12. Okay, so looks like it's going to have 32,000. They said we must round this to the nearest whole number. Okay, so that's going to be 32,437. 437 views. All right, so that's what it will look like in terms of viewership. Okay, so they say online videos with 100,000 views are considered to go viral, right? Determine to the nearest month how long it will take, counting from the start, right, for this online video to go viral if the growth rate remains 50% per month. Okay, so in this case, remember that we had y is equal to 250 into 1 plus 0.5 to the exponent of x. Right, now remember x would be the number of months, right? So I wanted to go viral, meaning that I wanted to reach 100,000. This is 250 into 1 plus 0.5 raised to the exponent of x. Right, if I say 1 plus 0.5, let's rather say this is going to be 1.5 raised to the exponent of x. Right, so firstly divide by 250 on both sides. Okay, so I've got 100,000 divided by 250. That would be 400, right? So that's 400 equal to 1.5 raised to the exponent of x. So if I want to now find out what the value of x is, what am I going to do? Introduce logs on both sides, right? So that means I'm going to say the log of this is equal to the log of 1.5 to the exponent of x. Now, the law of logs, we are dropping the exponent. So that's x log of 1.5 is equal to log of 400. And so I'm going to divide both sides by log of 1.5. What I do on the right, I do on the left, divide by log of 1.5. Okay. So that's log 400 divided by log of 1.5. Okay, so this cancels with that. And so let's see. I've got the log of 400 divided by the log of 1.5. Okay, so that gives me about 15 months. Okay, so that's 15 months. And what was the question? Determine to the nearest month. Okay, how long it will take. So do we make it 15 or 14? Yeah, let's say 15 months. All right. So that is how we are going to get the number of months that it will take for this video to go viral. All right, so that is how the cookie crumbles. Ladies and gents, we're going to be looking at the next question, but this is in another video. We are still going to be continuing on question 5. For now, I'll see you guys next time. Sharp, sharp.